Alright, so today's lesson, if anybody can see what I'm doing and notice that I am fucking shit up, feel free to let me know how I'm doing, because I'm fucking shit up today. Literally fucking shit up. I got the new wheel setup going on here. And it's not too bad. So now I'm having trouble trying to get this on. Everything's being a pain in the ass today. I'll get back to you whenever I'm done with tightening these down. Alright, we're back. Here is the setup currently. Now I just gotta figure out how to... So here's the front. There's the back. Look how much difference. Look at the difference. Now this is what the wheel changed over. You can see the same with this side versus this back one. I really got to figure out my wheels because they are slanted like a motherfucker, and I can't figure out why. But they are slanted. Like, they aren't even facing inward. I'm not even sure what the hell the deal is on that. But I've been at this all day trying to figure this out. I gotta roll my fender because literally I have no extra space right here at all. So we're gonna figure out something here in a minute. Not sure if this is gonna work. Not sure if this is gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work. I got it stuck. Yeah, we tucking up in this bitch. Oh! I just caught that. My car is falling apart. Nice. Yeah, this has to be tucked right here. There's no extra space. But yeah, car's gonna have to be less set. I gotta figure out how to do this. But yeah, as you can see, it's kind of fucking looking like it normally would. Okay, don't mind the mess. You'll hear this weird ass screeching noise. Okay. This thing makes some weird ass noise. Not sure exactly if this is going to go the way I want it to, but pretty much might get lucky with it, I don't know. Yeah, let's try. No, it doesn't sound like that. Oof. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, she... We're gonna have to tuck it a little bit because it's starting to. Okay, so we're gonna tuck it on this side. It's not doing anything on this side, on the driver's side. It's doing it all on the passenger side. Alright. This one is a 245/40. 245/40. And this is a 225/45. What's on the other side? 225/40. Okay, so if I switch this around, it should be alright. So what do I have on this side? We'll get back to you in a little bit.